Unlock the secrets. How to use WorkforceAustralia.gov.au like a pro. Workforce Australia is a place Australians can search and apply for jobs or find more information on their pathway to employment. Unlocking the full potential of WorkforceAustralia.gov.au can transform your job search experience, making it efficient, targeted, and successful. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just entering the job market, navigating this comprehensive platform like a pro can give you a competitive edge. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you harness the power of WorkforceAustralia.gov.au, offering tips and techniques to streamline your job search, optimize your profile, and connect with top employers. Get ready to discover the secrets that will elevate your career prospects and turn your job search into a strategic, results-driven endeavor. Let us dive in and start unlocking your future. Step 1. Creating your account. Visit the website. Open your web browser and go to WorkforceAustralia.gov.au. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. Fill in your personal details such as name, email address, and create a password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Complete your profile. Log into your account. Navigate to the profile section and fill out your personal information, including your resume, skills, and job preferences. Step 2. Job Search Techniques. Using the Job Search tool, click on the Job Search tab. Enter keywords related to your desired job in the search bar. Use filters such as location, salary range, and job type to narrow down your search. Setting up job alerts. Go to the Job Alerts section. Set up alerts based on your search criteria to receive email notifications for new job postings. Saving job searches. Save your frequent job searches to easily access them in the future. Click the Save Search button after performing a job search. Step 3. Applying for jobs. Applying online. Click on a job listing that interests you. Read the job description and requirements carefully. Click the Apply Now button and follow the instructions to submit your application. Tracking applications. Go to the My Application section to see the status of your job applications. Keep track of deadlines and any required follow-up actions. Step 4. Utilizing additional resources. Career Advice. Access the Career Advice section for articles and tips on resume writing, interview preparation, and career development. Skills Assessment. Use the skills assessment tools to evaluate your skills and identify areas for improvement. Training and courses. Browse available training programs and courses that can help you gain new skills or improve existing ones. Register for relevant courses directly through the website. Step 5. Networking and community engagement. Join forums and groups. Participate in forums and groups related to your industry. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Attend virtual events. Look out for virtual job fairs, webinars, and workshops hosted on the platform. Register and attend these events to network with employers and industry professionals. Step 6. Regularly updating your profile. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Keep your profile updated. Regularly update your resume, skills, and job preferences to reflect your latest experience and interest. This increases your visibility to potential employers. Review and refresh job alerts. Periodically review your job alerts and adjust the criteria based on your evolving job search needs. Tips and tricks. Optimize your resume. Use keywords from job descriptions in your resume to pass through applicant tracking systems or ATS. Leverage advanced search. Use the advanced search options to find jobs that match specific criteria more closely. Stay active. Log in regularly and stay active on the platform to increase your chances of being noticed by employers. By following these steps and utilizing the features of WorkforceAustralia.gov.au, you can maximize your job search efforts and enhance your career opportunities like a pro. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering WorkforceAustralia.gov.au. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to your dream job and empowered you with the tools to navigate the job market like a true professional. Remember, every great adventure starts with a single step, and you are already on your way. Before we go, let us sprinkle a little bit of magic and positivity into your day. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. You have the power to shape your future, and with the secrets we have shared, you are now equipped to turn those dreams into reality. Stay positive, stay determined. Most importantly, believe in yourself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more uplifting and informative content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep shining, keep dreaming, and remember, the magic is within you. Stay inspired, stay magical, and go conquer the world. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.